all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am Mahi and today's video is gonna be another shopping haul. I have bunch of stuff here with me from Amazon and I'm telling you these are such great finds. As we all know कि wedding season बस आ ही गया है, मतलब हमारे सिर पे ही है. I mean November में बहुत सारी शादियाँ होती हैं and December में and there are a lot of weddings that are coming, right? Plus winter season is also here. So I have a lot of stuff related to that today in the video. First let me start with winter wear because बहुत सारा सामान है जो कि wedding से related है, so I thought वो बाद में दिखाती हूँ. पहला item that I got from Amazon like in the winter wear category is a sweatshirt which is so cute you guys. Okay, तो मुझे ना cropped sweatshirts बहुत पसंद है. And this is what I got. It says forever young and it's like such good material and iska price I'm gonna put everything here. Like it was so reasonable. I mean अगर हम काफी बड़े brand पे जाएंगे इस तरह का very quirky and trendy like graphic printed sweatshirt लेने तो 2000 से नीचे नहीं आने वाला है and it costed me so less. I'm so happy about this sweatshirt. You can see how it looks on me. It's basically a hoodie cropped, so I love a cropped hoodie plus jeggings wala look. You can totally see how I'm rocking this look. I absolutely love it. And yeah, this was it about the first item that we have here. Next also I got a hoodie, so I really wanted a basic white hoodie for myself and this one is from a brand called Symbol. This is a brand of Amazon only. Okay, so this is very basic. It's not cropped, but yeah, it's a normal sweatshirt. It's in white color and if you ask me, the fabric of this one is like better. I mean it's softer, but that one is warmer. So whatever is your purpose, you can go for it. अगर आपको ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है तो go for that one. अगर आपको normal amount of ठंड लगती है then go for this one because इसका material बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है and like it's very soft to on your skin and yeah, I love it how it fits and everything. About the sizes, in the black one I think you should go a bit larger because मेरे को ना usually small आता है and उसमें मैंने medium लिया हुआ है and it fits me well. And in this one, in the brand Symbol, I am wearing size medium again. I think I got medium because मुझे थोड़ा oversized वाला look चाहिए था. Just happy about how the fit looks on me. Okay, next thing that I'm so happy about, you guys, I found this jacket on Amazon. This is from Vero Moda and I found it in a really good price. Okay, so this is like a white denim jacket. It's such a smart piece. I mean, look at the shoulders. Comes with like pleats here on the shoulder, so it gives you very वो एक ना power sleeves होती है, like that boss babe vibes. वो मुझे लग रहा है इस जैकेट में. I mean if I wear it shut, like मैं इसके बटन बंद करके अगर मैं इसको पहनती हूँ like a shirt, it just looks amazing. I love how it looks, especially button बंद करके, क्योंकि it gives you very again boss babe vibes काफी ज़्यादा. I'm really excited to try it with a white denim, but for now you can see how it looks on me with like leggings or jeggings, whatever you want to call it. Okay, next up we have a lot of things related to wedding wear. अगर आपने मेरे पहले भी कुछ videos देखे हैं, आपको पता है how much I love buying different blouses and दुपट्टास, क्योंकि वो ना काफ़ी चीज़ों के साथ चल जाते हैं, तो तुम्हें ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि मैं ये क्यों ले रही हूँ. Okay, लगा भी सकते हो, मेरी तरह नहीं. But okay, so this is the blouse that I got this time. It's so beautiful, you guys. It has like so many colors, as you can see. तो ये काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों के साथ जाने वाला है, no doubt. You can see how the blouse looks on me. I purchased size 34 in this and it just fits me perfectly. So yeah, really happy about it. Next up we have this saree. I am so happy about the saree. It's in like Georgette. It's completely floral printed and this is like the patra work that comes on it. It looks like mirror work, but I know हम इसको ना patra is kind of a like I don't know what do you call it in English, मुझे नहीं पता, but हिंदी में इसको पत्रा बोलते हैं, and it looks like mirror दूर से, ठीक है. And yeah, this is how the saree looks. I'm gonna show you how it looks when I wear it because I'm so excited. Like even with this top that जो कि मैंने अभी पहना है, you know, you can pair this saree in winters and काफ़ी अच्छा like fusion सा look create होगा. And yes, it comes with like this blouse piece. I think this fabric is cotton silk or something. But yeah, I'm really happy about this saree क्योंकि ये बहुत सस्ती मिल गई है मुझे. I think this one costed me 600 to 700 के बीच में. I'm gonna put the exact price on the screen. But you guys, I am so happy about this one. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Like अगर कोई भी फंक्शन आ रहा है आपकी फैमिली में और आपको बहुत हल्की सी कोई साड़ी चाहिए and black is your color, go for this one. You're gonna look amazing. And I wanna show you a pair of heels that I got that will go perfectly with almost everything because these are like basic gold heels. Look at these. ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है पहन के and मुझे अच्छा लगता है एथनिक वेयर के साथ heels पहनना, but you know it gets really uncomfortable अगर वो पेंसिल वाली heel होती है तो. So I got these block heels here. तो I think काफ़ी अच्छा buy है ये. So I'm gonna link everything down below. Make sure you check it out. So if you have any festivities coming up, weddings, you can definitely go ahead and you know purchase these heels because these are just I love them. And yes, I got them in size 36 and they fit me pretty well. Okay, now let's move on to the jewelry section. I have a bunch of stuff with me which I am really excited to show you. So this is all the jewelry that we have here. Let me start by this brand. This brand is called Karatcart. Okay, so let's just start with it. Alright, so first we have these earrings. इसको देख के ही मुझे इतना प्यार हो गया था ना इसको. Look at these. These are in silver and उसके नीचे you have these black pearls. If you're someone who loves wearing silver junk jewelry, you have to get this one. I'm telling you, इतने ज़्यादा सुंदर लगते हैं पहन के. You can like totally see how they're looking. I love them. Absolutely love them. And मुझे ये इतने ज़्यादा पसंद आए थे तो मैंने सोचा कि एक you know pair और मंगाते हैं. So I ordered one in golden with like pink detailing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the another pair that I got in the same design. ये gold में है and इस पे जो मोती लगे हुए हैं वो pink color के है. तो ये भी I mean look at this. It's such a beautiful design. I love how you know ये जो stone work है ना वो भी एकदम it's not like एकदम आँखों में नहीं लग रहा है ये. तो you can definitely go ahead and try these out. और ये सबसे अच्छी बात, they are not at all heavy on your ear, so you know you can definitely go ahead and try it out. And एक और अच्छी बात है इनके बारे में that these are available in so many more colors. Next and the last thing from this brand we have is like Hathphool, hand harness, whatever you wanna call it. Let me show you how it is. So this is how the hand harness looks like. Let me just give you a try on as well. Okay. This is how it looks. It looks so beautiful, right? मतलब मुझे ना उम्मीद नहीं थी ये इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा. Now imagine आप किसी शादी में जा रहे हो और आपने मेहंदी लगाई हुई है हाथों में and ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगने वाला है उसके साथ. I am pretty happy about it. Next we have is a waist belt. Okay, this is from a brand called iJewels, jewelry for you, and again I got a really good deal on this one. This is the waist belt and you can see how it looks on me. I love it. मतलब इसके बारे में ज़्यादा explain क्या करूँ. It looks like Kundan work, but of course it's not real Kundan. But I love how it looks. Really pretty. You can definitely you know create fusion outfits using this. Like अगर हम इसको एक मैक्सी ड्रेस के साथ पेयर करे with some Indian jewelry, so it will give you a really nice fusion look. Next up we have one more hand harness, Hathphool, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो आप उसको. Let me show you. This is from a brand iJewels again. Okay, so ये थोड़ा सिंपल है, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा था ये देख के. I just wanted it to be more dainty. Like मेरे को लगा था कि ये जो stones होंगे ना वो और ज़्यादा छोटे होंगे, but anyway I like it. Let me show you how it looks. थोड़ा मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे बड़ा है, but I know how to adjust jewelry. Like मैंने ना बचपन में टीनेज में मैंने jewelry making course किया था, so I know a bit about it. Okay, so this one is like so beautiful. ये पहन के तो उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. Let me know which one did you like. I mean, this looks pretty, right? Next up we have some silver jewelry from Voylla. Voylla is such a good brand for fashion jewelry, and I'm really happy that it is available on Amazon. Let me show you the rings that I got, you guys. These are super cute and like मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये इतनी अच्छी लग सकती है. I am very happy about these. Okay, so this is like a double ring. Okay, and the good part is all of these rings are like adjustable, so you wear it here and then wait and you wear this one थोड़ा सा ऊपर and you get this look. It looks really cute, right? Really pretty. Second ring is this one. ये ना एक डमरू बना हुआ है और इसमें छोटी सी एक घुंघरू लगे हुए हैं. I think this one is like really cute. Oh, look at this. Definitely go for these rings if you're looking for some rings in silver, like junk jewelry. This is super cute. Absolutely love it. Let me know कि आपका favorite jewelry item कौन सा था and overall क्या आपका favorite product था इस वीडियो में. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you shop on Amazon. जितने भी links हैं वो नीचे description में है. That was it about the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. You know the drill. Comment करना मत भूलना, like करना भी मत भूलना, share कर देना अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो. I will see you guys super soon in my next video.